Today we will be reviewing the Kerui Full HD camera. The packaging is very professional. Inside the box you will find one user manual, one camera, one power adapter and some mounting accessories. The camera looks stylish and modern and the build quality feels great. Now let's power up the camera. To set up the camera, download the Care Home app from the App Store. Create an account and follow the instructions. The user interface looks great. You can control the camera from the app. It supports full HD video output. Video quality is crisp and non-laggy. Once motion is detected, the camera saves the file and you can view it from the app. Night vision works great and you can pan, tilt and zoom the camera by just scrolling around. The camera overall works great with a crisp lens and good megapixels. It also has good connectivity thanks to the two antennas on its back. For a price tag of $40, you can get this camera with a link in the description.